This is the first Lego video ever done, but today I'm gonna make a Lego foot. And you may think, where did I get all those Legos? Where did I get all these Legos and stuff? I built them. I got them from a box. I don't know why I'm not using that sprinkler, because my mom said no. Don't use. Got the construction site right there. We got the buckets of water. And tell me to do more Lego videos if you want more. Let's do this. Wow. Are you kidding me? It's not effective. How about this? The crap. Well, I'll see you when I get more freaking water. Hey, look, a box. Bye. Round 2. You may think, like, you don't know how many freaking things there are in here. Do you know how hard it is to pick this bucket up with one freaking hand? Oh my god. Bro. Let's do this. This time I'm gonna do it on this construction site. Oh, that kind of did good, I guess. There we go. Perfect. Oh no. No, it's draining. God damn it. I'm just gonna do this. Ugh.